In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section header slide in Google Slides. This tutorial is all about getting you comfortable with navigating Google Slides to create professional presentations with clear section breaks. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Google Slides. You can access it through your web browser by simply entering the Google Slides URL. Once you arrive there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. It's essential to ensure you're logged in so you can have access to all your files and full functionality within Google Slides. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see an array of options for either starting a new presentation from scratch or using a template. For this tutorial, I'll guide you through starting a blank presentation. So go ahead and click on blank presentation to get started. This will open up a new browser tab with an empty presentation where you can add and customize slides as needed. Next, let's focus on adding a section header slide. Now at the top of the interface, you'll see a menu bar. Click on slide. This opens a drop-down list offering various slide related options. From this list, you'll need to select edit theme. This action takes you into the slide editor mode where you can modify the layout, including adding a new section header slide. Here's where you personalize your presentation structure. In the theme editor, look out for the option that allows you to insert a text box. In the toolbar at the top of your screen, select the text box icon or navigate to insert and then text box. With the text box selected, click and drag across the slide to create a new box. This box will serve as your section header. Now, the fun part, adding your header text. Click inside the newly created text box and start typing the header title you'd like to use for this section of your presentation. Feel free to customize the font, size and color to match your presentation's style and theme. A well-designed header will not only improve the appearance of your presentation, but also make it easy for your audience to follow along. After adding and styling your header text, exit the theme editor by clicking the X button to return to the standard editing view. You'll see your newly added section header slide integrated into your presentation. By following these steps, you've successfully added a clear and stylish section header to enhance your Google Slides presentation structure and professionalism. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. With practice, these steps will become second nature and you'll be able to create organized and impactful presentations effortlessly. Enjoy creating and see you in the next video.